Children's Day celebration brings joy, laughter, and togetherness at Markaj Academy, Golpara. Markaj Academy, Golpara, witnessed a day filled with excitement, laughter, and heartfelt moments as the school celebrated Children's Day with great enthusiasm. The campus came alive with colorful decorations, cheerful students, and dedicated teachers who worked tirelessly to make the event memorable for every child. The celebration began with a warm welcome by the teachers, who had planned a series of engaging activities specially designed for the students. As the day unfolded, the school atmosphere radiated happiness, embodying the spirit of Children's Day, honoring childhood, innocence, and the joy of learning. One of the key attractions of the event was the range of activities conducted by the teachers. From interactive games to fun-filled sessions, teachers ensured that students enjoyed a day free from routine academic pressure. Their enthusiasm and active participation showcased their commitment to nurturing not only the minds but also the hearts of their students. The stage soon lit up with vibrant performances by the students. Children from various classes presented songs, dances, poems, and short skits, demonstrating their creativity and confidence. Each performance reflected weeks of preparation and was met with loud applause from teachers and peers. The joy on the faces of the young performers highlighted their excitement to be part of the celebration. Adding a unique charm to the event, the teachers also organized a special entertainment segment where they performed for the students. This thoughtful gesture strengthened the teacher-student bond and allowed students to see their mentors in a fun and relaxed light. Their performances ranged from short acts to music and more, leaving the children thrilled. A particularly entertaining part of the day was the musical chairs game played by the teachers. The competitive yet humorous atmosphere. A special note of admiration goes to Dr. M.D. Alamgir, the esteemed principal of Markaj Academy, Golpara, whose presence added warmth and inspiration to the Children's Day celebration. His thoughtful gesture of personally distributing chocolate among the students brought immense joy to the children and reflected his deep affection and commitment toward their happiness. Dr. Alamgir's leadership continues to be a guiding light for the institution, marked by compassion, dedication, and a genuine understanding of students' needs. His steady support and uplifting words throughout the event motivated both students and teachers, reinforcing the family-like environment that Markaj Academy is known for. With his humble nature and visionary guidance, Dr. M.D. Alamgir stands as a role model who inspires the school community to strive for excellence while nurturing kindness and unity. His presence truly made the celebration more meaningful and memorable for everyone. The Children's Day celebration was made even more special with the provision of delicious food for all the students, thoughtfully arranged to ensure that every child felt cared for and included. The warm efforts of the school in providing a wholesome meal highlighted their commitment to students' well-being beyond the classroom. Adding to the delight, the school also prepared surprise gifts for every student, a gesture that filled the children with excitement and happiness. The spark in their eyes and the joy on their faces reflected how deeply the thoughtful surprises touched their hearts. Such meaningful arrangements speak volumes about the school's dedication to nurturing a loving, joyful environment where every child feels valued and celebrated. The efforts made by the school community truly turned the day into a memorable celebration of childhood. As the program drew to a close, the atmosphere filled with excitement when every student received a surprise gift. The unexpected gesture brought wide smiles, cheerful laughter, and pure joy to the children. Their eyes sparkled with delight as they unwrapped their gifts, making the ending of the celebration truly memorable. This thoughtful surprise not only added happiness to the day but also reflected the school's genuine love and care for its students. It was a heartwarming moment that beautifully captured the spirit of Children's Day, celebrating childhood with joy, affection, and unforgettable memories.